And here I'm just describing answer should be the user. So I'm just describing that the answer should be in the answer part, and object, or in the citation should be in the citation object, and then follow-up question should be in the citation object. And I am also mentioning what type it should be, which is like answer should be in text, citation should be in the array, and the follow-up question should be in the array. So these are the things I'm just passing, and the chat history which I'm getting from the web part, SPFX web part, also I'm just processing it here. So one more thing which I said, right? So you can see here. So basically, what I do, I just searching the data from Azure AI search, and after that, I'm just getting the data values. This is the results. So after getting the results, I'm just converting into particular format to pass it in the LLM. Before passing that, I'm just doing the split text operation here. If the text is more than 1,000 tokens or something like that, so I'm just chunking that. Chunking in the sense like splitting into a different section and creating it, and I'm creating as an array. So here, after creating that, I'm just doing the embedding part. So here you can see I'm just passing that split text as well as the embedding model. So what it will do, this particular operation, what it will do, it will do the embedding values and store it in the vector store. And here, if you see, this is the vector store and just passing as the context. So this is the retriever is the context which we will be passing in the bottom. So this is the these are like runnable sequence, which is like modules which is available in the langchain. So here, what I'm doing that, I'm just processing the question and chat history and the context. The context, you can see I'm getting the relevant documents and passing that as the input to the RLLM. That's it. And I'm mentioning what is the output format also here. So these are the things which I did for the and after that we just calling that. So already the LLMs are I already called it in the top. So you can see this is yeah, this is the chat model. So I'm just binding that tools which I created. Like when you go through the langchain, there are different types of tools and modules which is available, which will be helpful to orchestrate our data and how to pass it to the LLM also, which is easier. So you can see I'm just this is the LLM, which is chat model in our case, which is like Azure Open AI. Already I passed the inputs over there, and I'm just mentioning the tool. Tool is nothing but we just combining all the inputs, which is like context and what is the question and what format the output should be, and what are the citations need to be retrieved. So that are combined here, and after that I'm just passing that as an input and just passing to this chain as well. So you can see this is the chain, and I'm just passing the prompt as well, initial prompt. And after that, we just calling that chain dot invoke. So after that, once we call this invoke method, it will retrieve the answers to the result, and it will return to our web part, and it displays the data over.